Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I want to show you my old house, which is located in Chiang Mai Center, just south of the old city, as you can see in this screenshot. I'm going to drive to the house from the Chiang Mai Gate Food Market to give you an idea where the house is located and how to get there. If you're interested in a video about the food market, then click the link on screen now or check the video description below. We're now driving at the beginning of Wulai Walking Street, which is only a walking street on Saturday evening, so traffic is allowed here on most days, like this day. For a video about Wulai Walking Street, click the link on screen now or check the video description below. For now, I'm going to fast forward this bit until we arrive at the house. And here we are at my old house. Let's have a look at the street before we go in. This house is located in a dead-end street, which makes it a pretty quiet street in terms of traffic. Okay, let's have a look at the patio and outside area. New rent signs are up already. They ask 10,000 baht a month now, which is $300 or 270 euro, including furniture. But you can probably get it for 9,000 baht a month, including furniture, which is what I paid when I lived here. On the outside area there's a small table with some seats, a microwave and a gas stove. Behind the white stones, on the right is a water pump which helps getting enough pressure to the second floor bathroom. There's also a sink and a relative big washing machine here. Alright, let's go check out how the inside looks. Prepare to buy a spray can of oil, because all the doors squeak in this house. This is the living room downstairs. The wall paint looks very nice, but maybe I'm biased because I painted the walls downstairs and gave it this color. Before it was light pink. You'll see some of that pink later in the video. There's only one window downstairs, which makes the living room kind of dark, but it was usually surprisingly cool in this room, even during hot days, and there was no air conditioning, but that was also not needed. A fan was more than enough to keep you cool. All the furniture and items you see here in the video were included with the rent price. This refrigerator was pretty old, I think, and I guess it used a lot of power to keep things cool, because the side would get very hot. Here is the dinner table with some chairs and a 1080p television. This couch was not comfortable. When you sit down, you could feel the wood under the cushions. Also, the back could not be moved anymore. This area on the back is a small room for storage and a bathroom with a toilet and a shower. here you see the beautiful pink paint, which was also in the living room before I painted over it. Alright, let's take a look upstairs, where there are 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. This is the first bedroom on the back side of the house, and this room gets very hot, especially during summer. It's facing southwards and the sun warms it up all day long. Outside is pretty quiet and not much noise, but the windows don't close well and have walls around, so when there is some noise outside you can hear it very easily, and vice versa. This room is not so big, so it should cool down pretty quick with a good air conditioner. Unfortunately, this air conditioner wasn't good. It's pretty old and just couldn't cool down this small room during hot days, which is one of the reasons why I left this house. But there were more reasons, which I'll cover soon. This is the bathroom, which was just normal. I gave it a nice upgrade with this stick, which holds the shower head. I'm pretty proud of that actually. This is the main bedroom, which is pretty big. Another television here, which I never used, and a wooden couch with some pillows on it. The mattress was pretty hard for me, so I had to buy an extra layer to make it more comfortable. The air conditioning in this room was really good. Across the house was a lot of construction. They're making some kind of bakery school, from what I understood. But in the 6 months that I lived there, it was still not finished. It looks very nice though. There's also a small balcony with a nice view. So, you might be wondering, why did I move out of this house? Well, the house had some issues. Mainly, the air conditioner in the small bedroom, the toilet downstairs didn't work properly, the water would go away very slowly, and the door in the big bedroom had very big spaces on the side, which didn't help with mosquitoes and keeping the cool air from the air conditioner inside, and some other smaller things. The owner told me these things will be replaced or fixed. A few attempts were made for certain issues, but those were unfortunately not enough. But what made me move in the end were our new neighbors that moved in a month ago. The walls are pretty thin, and one of the new neighbors talks pretty loud. He usually came home late the evening and then would talk loud with family or over the phone till 2-3 a.m. right next to our bedroom, which would usually wake me up a few times a night. This was the extra push I needed to leave and find a new house, which I luckily found for an even cheaper price. So, if you want to see my new, better and cheaper house in Chiang Mai, then stay tuned and subscribe to the channel to not miss it. Also, if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.